చందాలకి ఇచ్చిన భూములు అంటేనే పేదలకు ఇవ్వాలి. చందాల నిర్వాసన ఆదుకోవాలి. వందలాది నిర్వాసన ఐక్యత, వందలాది నిర్వాసన ఐక్యత. భూములు మాకు అంటేనే ఇవ్వాలి.
Farmer from SC/ST community from Andhra Pradesh came here to protest to save their land. We have Mr. Raju, the MLC from Andhra Pradesh. Sir, most of the people like very poor. Women are there. Most of the farmers from Andhra Pradesh. Why you are come here? What is the reason? Because you are in a legislature, you are a MLC, so you are just like a MLA. What is the problem, sir? Why you are coming here?
Today, I came with all the farmers from Vizianagaram district, Andhra Pradesh, to protest against the misuse of lands by Jindal company, which the government has taken from the land losers, which are very poor land losers. They all come from SCs and STs families. The government gave assigned lands to them 30-40 years back. And after that, in 2006 and 7, the government has came with a proposal that in this place we are going to construct an aluminum industry by Jindal company.
Okay.
All the land losers at that time also they said no. As later in that area, I requested all the people that if the industries come in our area, the area will be developed. We all will be get
The promise should be there.
employed, and we will get employment and all. And the company and the government both gave so many promises that for every acre they will give 2,500,000 rupees cash.
2,500,000.
Per
That time it was a good amount. But now the land, the price will hike, na?
That time also it's not a good amount, but keeping in view that the industries come, the area will be developed, so many people will be getting employment. Not only the land losers, other people also who are educated, poor families will also get employment. That's why they gave the lands
Okay.
in 2007.
You can say it's just like a partnership between the farmer and the industrialist.
Yes.
But they looted.
I'm going to tell that only. Instead of 2,500,000, they promised that they will give equity shares of 2 lakhs value. Each share value of 10 rupees. They gave 20,000 shares per acre.
It was the promise.
It was a promise. It was given to the government by the Jindal company.
Okay.
And after 18 years, now they are coming onto the field. Still 18 years, they didn't even put a foundation stone in that land. Then why the government is supporting the corporate companies, we all don't know. These are very poor families. There are so many GOs and Supreme Court directions that if any land was given to
Farmer.
any industry, the industry didn't come within 5 years, the land should be taken back by the government and it should be given to the land losers.
It's a verdict.
Yes. It's a Supreme Court guidelines were there. They didn't follow. And at the time, they gave an annexure to R&R package. No issue was fulfilled.
What about the political parties? There are Naidu government and YSR. There are several parties in particular Andhra Pradesh, the big parties.
Yes.
What their opinion? What they want?
Actually, the company, Jindal company, misleaded them. They said to the government.
You are taking a politically correct answer, na?
Yeah.
You can speak.
I will tell you everything.
You are politically correct. Diplomatical.
No, not diplomatic.
You are MLC, that's why you are.
No.
You straightforward, na? You say that they looted.
If I am a diplomatic, I would come here.
Okay.
If I am diplomatic, I will never come here. I am not diplomatic. I am towards the farmers. I will stand for them. If I lose my power, if I lose my post, I don't care.
Don't care.
I will stand for
Bindas ladenge.
Bindas ladenge.
Huh?
Actually, the Jindal company misguided the government, present government, and last government also. They misled saying that the government has an MOU that to start an aluminum industry, APMDC will give the bauxite. In 2005, they have an agreement.
Okay.
As the bauxite was not given by the government, they didn't start the industry, they are saying.
They are blame game. You are saying
Yes,
there is a
yes.
blame game.
Yes, yes.
Industry is saying the
If-
government
if
will.
the industry was started, they construct an industry, then the mine is necessary. Without constructing industry, why the mine is necessary? No need of mine. So they are double game. The Jindal company is playing double game. And now what they are doing is, with the support of the government, with this, even the opposition government was also not supporting these landowners. We don't know why. The police department towards the company, they didn't give even permission to protest, peaceful protest in Andhra Pradesh, in our place.
It's
But the Delhi,
It's
Delhi
a
police
fundamental
here,
right, sir. For protest,
Yes.
you are a political person. It's
Yeah.
a fundamental right.
it's a fundamental right. They are fighting for the fundamental rights. They are fighting for the constitutional rights. They are poor SCs and STs families. They are betrayed by the government.
How many
and
families or how many persons?
There are
affected?
nearly 400 plus families or land losers in that area.
There is
So
not
every day-
big vote bank, so that's why the
We should not see vote bank
Huh.
always. We should have courtesy towards the farmers, poor farmers.
you have, but the political party didn't.
Everyone won't be like me. Or else I can't behave like them. So I have grown up in this area only. The farmers are from my place.
अगर मैं हिंदी में पूछूं, आपको नहीं कभी डर नहीं लगता कि कभी
क्यों?
आप इनका बात उठाओगे, 400-500 लोग हैं तो पॉलिटिकली नुकसान हो जाएगा आपको? यू आर MLC,
I was never scared of anyone or anything.
लड़ेंगे
हाँ, जरूर लड़ेंगे.
सत्य के लिए.
इन लोगों के लिए जरूर लड़ेंगे. अभी तक हाई कोर्ट को गया, दिल्ली को आया, गली से दिल्ली आया, गली से दिल्ली को लेके आया इन सबको. What they lost, we want to show in the capital of India. At least we will get
Most of them
justice.
are women and think like very poor family.
They are very.
But they are
I never see
they
them.
are the landowners, na?
Because they came to Delhi, they are looking very fresh. I never seen them in this good health and all. Today they dressed very
The
well.
condition is
Today they came to Delhi, so they dressed very well. That might be the
But
best,
the
best
face
sarees
will-
and all.
but the face will show the struggle, na? Face will show. Even they dressed well, but the face will show the struggle that
Yes,
they
yes,
have.
yes. From past 80 days, they are fighting for this, their rights for their lands and all. From past 18 years, the Jindal company never came into those lands.
Okay.
They are cultivating their own lands. Now, with the police force, the Jindal company just thrown away these farmers.
Oh.
Just thrown away these farmers. Then
Police is-
by force, they are cutting the trees and plants, everything. They are destroying the lands and all, which they are cultivating. Because of that,
They are
started-
destroying the livelihood, you can say also.
Yes, livelihood of the poor families. Now what we are saying is, as the company did not start from 18 years, please give back their lands. Even I am a land loser. Even I gave my lands for the
Okay,
company.
you are also the farmer.
I am also the farmer in that area.
Okay.
So I have the responsibility to
You have
stand.
the same pain that they have.
I don't have that much of pain. They have 100% pain. I have only
You can bear it, na?
Yes.
What is your next plan after this, the protest? What is your next plan? Because it's a big
Yes,
fight.
yes.
It's a big fight. Because there are big sumo pahalwan, you can say.
The government.
Government or opposition as well as the industrialist Jindal
UPA,
group, one of
UPA,
the
Because the right was towards these farmers, justice will be done to these farmers. We strongly believe that 100% the farmers will get justice. We approached National Human Rights Commission. From there, the collector got a notice. We approached National Commission for STs. We approached National Commission for Scheduled Castes.
every corner you go, every aspects
So
of justice.
only Supreme
you
Court was
explore.
remained. Only Supreme Court.
Supreme Court remand.
Yes.
साफ कह रहे हैं कि इन 400 किसानों की जो लड़ाई है या 400-500 लोगों की जो लड़ाई है वो इनकी लड़ाई नहीं है, ये खुद की लड़ाई बना ली है राजू जी ने। और ये कह रहे हैं कि ऐसे हर कोने में जाएंगे जहां से इनको न्याय मिल सके। अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ही अंतिम रास्ता बचा है। पॉलिटिकली शायद संख्या इतनी ना हो, लेकिन दे बिलोंग टू द डिस्ट्रिक्ट विजयनगरम। विजय तो होना ही है आपका।
जरूर होगा।
जरूर होगा।
हमको जरूर विजय होगा। वो सब लोगों का
आशीर्वाद।
जस्टिस मिलेगा,
जस्टिस मिलेगा,
वो सब बहुत खुश रहेगा।
खुश रहेगा। देखिए ऐसे लोग भी हैं कि जो अपनी राजनीति को पीछे रखकर समाज की बात को आगे रखते हैं और राजनीतिक फायदे और नफा नुकसान को देखते हुए भी कोशिश करते हैं कि लोगों को उनका हक और अधिकार मिले। ऐसे लोग रहेंगे अगर समाज में तो मुझे लगता है देश तरक्की करेगा और ऐसे लोगों को शीर्ष पर रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर शीर्ष पर कमज़ोर लोग आ जाएंगे, खराब लोग आ जाएंगे तो फिर लोगों का अधिकार मारा जाएगा। वो एक आदमी हो, 100 हो या 1000 हो, लोकतंत्र में सबका अधिकार सुनिश्चित होगा, तभी हम लोग कहेंगे कि हम सच्चे लोकतंत्र में। आपको क्या लगता है कमेंट में लिखिए, देखते रहिए मिनी संसद। धन्यवाद।